How to get to Facebook Marketplace. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get to Facebook Marketplace, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to get to Facebook Marketplace, all you have to do is go ahead and then open the Facebook application here, and once you launch your Facebook app you will see this type of interface. Now normally you'll find the Marketplace icon in your navigation menu. On iOS it's going to be at the bottom, so in my case I have it here. Now if you don't have it here, you can come to the menu icon here, which is the three lines option. Then in the all shortcuts tab you might find Marketplace, or you can tap on see more and look for Marketplace there, and then tap on Facebook Marketplace to access it. Now the reason sometimes Marketplace will not appear here is because you don't use it that frequently. If you use Marketplace frequently, they're going to appear in your shortcuts tab. So this way you will be able to get to Facebook Marketplace. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.